Assalamu alaikum, my brother and sister. Today I discuss with you the Nusuk latest Hajj information. And the second thing, how to resize your image to upload on nusukhajj application. Watch this complete video. If you don't subscribe me right now, then go and subscribe me for upcoming nusukhajj latest information. So let's go to start the video. So you can see the mobile, the latest nusukhajj information is open. I can open the Twitter, and in the Twitter they provide the latest information of the nusukhajj. You can also follow the latest information nusukhajj on Twitter as well. This information they can told us, don't give your money to any agent. Only this agent that is subscribed by nusukhajj. You can see the name of these agents are written here. The nusukhajj platform. They have the 12 companies that are licensed by the nusukhajj or the Saudi Arabia. Also provide the diverse range of the packages. So you can check that and you can call them or you can contact them. If you don't want to apply online and you don't know how to fill the application form, then you can contact these licensed companies and arrange your Hajj. And these licensed companies offer you the different packages according to your needs. You also see the logos of the company. You see the websites of that logos of the Hajj packages. Go their websites and you have see that there's a contact information on their website. You can contact them and need any information they can provide you regarding Hajj and Umrah, whatever you like. But other companies, you don't follow them and you don't give them money because the other companies is not subscribed by the nusukhajj or the Saudi Arabia, so you don't waste your money and don't give to any fake account and fake Hajj packages. Way you can apply online. You don't then go to the Hajj companies. Also follow the nusukhajj on the Twitter accounts for the upcoming information. So subscribe the nusukhajj website for the upcoming the nusukhajj information and the packages. And if you don't fill the application form right now, then go and fill the application form because they need the data how many people can apply for the nusukhajj, because they want to give the quota to every country like Australia, America, Canada, UK. According to application, they decide how many quotas give to the each country. For example, before that they give the 10,000 quota to the each country like UK, but now they can give the 4,000 quota because they don't have too much application of the Hajj. Because they decide how many application receive in each year, then they decide the quota of each year, the coming next year. Now I show you my account today because last time my application rejected because I upload the wrong documents. So now I upload the right documents and now my application is accepted. If you want to see your application status, you can go to the nusukhajj website and then you can press the sign in. And after that you can add your email address and password. After add the password, they can ask some question like motorcycle, that is you are human or not. Then I take the motorcycles. Then they send me the verification code. The verification is code coming on your email address. After enter the verification code, your account is open now. You can see it here, my name Saeeda. Go on the profile, not mine, your profile. Your name is written when you can fill your application form. Now you can see create an account. After that the verification of data and document. Now my application is approved because I upload the right documents like passport and the according the picture size what they need. Keep in mind when you can upload the document size is right in GPG form, because if the document size is not right, they don't accept your application. And you can also add your companion, and also your companion application form is also filled the correct way and the correct documents. First they approve your application, after that they can approve your companion application form. They have 5 or 6 steps: create an account, verification, announcing the opening of the reservation, then you choose the right package. After that they can provide the e-visa. Currently there is no packages available. When the package is available, they can send you the email. Keep an eye on your email account because they can send email anytime. I think so after the Eid. Now I can show you manage companion. You can see the verified account. Companion account is verified. The verified is written Lila. If you want to delete it, you can also delete it. If you want to edit it, you can also edit the account as well. If you want to add more companion, then you can add more companion. You can see the auditing process is completed. I can attach the email they can send me. If you don't continue to the Hajj application, you also delete your account as well. Now I can sign out my application because there's no package right now. So if the next package is coming, then I can make a video. So many people comments in my comments how to upload the right side of passport and the image in nusukhajj application. Without wasting any time, I can show you how to resize your image and resize of your passport. That is upload on your nusukhajj application form. And you don't need to upload any software to resize your image. But keep in mind, you can do it on your laptop, not on your mobile. To resize your image, you can need a laptop or computer. First, upload your image and your passport picture and check the size of your passport picture and your image. After that, you can open the image of your passport. Passport picture is open in the images, as you know, in the computer. Now I open the passport. This is a random passport picture, only just show you how to resize it. Now this is the passport. See the upper side of the laptop, there is the 3 dots and the edit button as well, in which you can see the resize the image. You don't resize the image right now. First of all, you edit the image, you can resize it. First of all, we can go to the edit button and then edit the image. After edit the image, you can go on the resize image. You can see the 3 dots. You can click on the 3 dots. After the 3 dots, there's a resize image option is available. You can click on the resize image, then you resize the image. It will show you later on. First, edit the image. You can see you can hold that button and you can resize the passport picture. Here you can see I can edit the image and then you can save a copy. Copy is saved where the image is before you can upload it. Click the save. They can ask you, do you want to save this image? You can said okay, yes, you want to save it, then your image is saved. After that, you can resize the image. You can go on the resize image. You can see there's a difference between the current image and the new image. Previous image is 133.5 KB JPG and the new image is 71.3 KB JPG. Now you can save it. Then again they ask you want to save or amend this file. You can set yes and press OK button. That your passport image is saved and they are resized now. After that, you can go on the picture how to resize your image, your passport picture. Nusukhajj application required 200 by 200 means 17 KB. They need 17 KB JPG file, not more than that, not less than that. You can resize your image according to their instruction and according to their need. First of all, you can open the image. It's a random image to show you how to edit the image and how to resize the image. So after open the image, you can edit the image first. After edit the image, you can save the copy. Copy is saved, then you can go on the resize option and then you can resize your image. Like here, I show you how to edit first the image. Now I start editing the image. Image is edited. Now we can save the copy of the image. As the save a copy, then they can save the copy and the same question asks you want to save the copy, then you said okay, yes, you want to save the copy. After you can save the copy, you can go on the resize option. After clicking on the resize page is open. In the page you can see this the height and width. First you can change the height and width is automatically changed. Change the height is 200. When you change the height, automatically the new size is changed. You can see in the video I can change the height. The size is changed. Now previous size is 43 KB. Now the current size is 7 KB. Now you can save the image. When you can save the image, they ask you again about you want to save this image, and you can set yes. After that, you can go on the download, the place where you can save the image. I saved the image in the download, so I go to the download, and now the image is 8 KB, and you can see the file is also in the JPG form. So hope you like my video, and if you don't subscribe me right now, please subscribe my channel for more Nusukhajj latest information. And remember in your prayers, take care. Allah Hafiz.